decision to get on that cell phone, or you make that decision to look down at that text, if something's gonna happen in front of you, you cannot get out of the way, it's too late.
One of the key components of having a good road is you gotta have drainage. Building the road properly is one of the most important things when you do when you're out there.
The road ditches are why they're important, is one, to protect the integrity of the roadbed and the roadway, the travel surface. And then the other primary reason is to protect water quality.
So we're going to measure rise using some just very easy to use differential levels. And I'll show you how to set one up, I'll show you how to level it, and I'll show you how to use it.
All right, let's get started with the graduates. When I call your name, please come up and accept your certificate. Help me and Stephanie in congratulating all of our road stars.